Hello everyone, this is home lighting control system using Arduino Pro Mini and Tata Sky remote. The same system can be controlled through a Android phone also using any Bluetooth terminal application. So that application can be downloaded and installed in the phone, and that can send out command to this system. So this is a system, this is a Bluetooth SC05, and this is IR sensor. So this can be controlled through two different system, one through a mobile phone and one through a Tata Sky TV remote system. So let's see the demo of the system. Here button 1 is programmed for switching on the light, and button 2 is programmed for switching off the light. And currently the light is on, so we'll switch off the light by pressing button 2. So let's press button 2 and light will be switched off. So the remote has to be pointed toward the IR sensor so that it receives the correct code. So the light is off now and the Bluetooth light is blinking, but IR sensor is receiving. Now this is on using button 1. So the button can be changed. So any button, other button can be programmed for switching on or switching off, or the same button can be programmed for switching on and switching off the light. So sometimes this may interfere whilst operating the TV desktop. So accordingly the Arduino Pro Mini has to be programmed for controlling the light. So let's now see a demo of how the light is controlled through a Bluetooth terminal from Android phone. So we'll install the Bluetooth terminal and we'll send out a command on off, and there is a special command for blinking the light for so many times. So let us switch off the light by typing off command. Before that we need to send out a password 1. So this is off now. So we need to send out password 1 for controlling the phone, the light through a phone. So otherwise this may be a problem, because children will be operating this light and there will be a game for that, and that may deviate the light functionality, or relay may get damaged for too many times switching on and switching off the light. So, and we can send out a separate password too for blinking the light for number of times. And there is a delay function also, that can control the delay between gap between on and off times. So we'll blink 3 times now. So this, you can see here, it is blinking 3 times, and delay can also be controlled from the phone by sending the delay command and number of milliseconds, that will control the gap between the on and off time. So we are sending a delay of 10,000 milliseconds, and we'll send a blink 2. So it will blink 2 times with a gap of 10 seconds. Currently light is off now. Now it is on. Then there will be a switch off after 10 seconds, and this is off now, and finally it will be on after 10 seconds. Hopefully you like the video. Please give a thumbs up and also subscribe the channel also.